Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. If you're scratching your head over how to figure out who sent you a send it on Snapchat in 2025, don't worry, I've got you covered. Snapchat's features are always updating, and today, we're diving into the simple steps to reveal your mysterious senders. Whether it's a fun question or a cheeky poll, knowing who sent it adds that extra layer of excitement. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Head to your App Store, search for Snapchat, and hit that update button if needed. This ensures you're working with the latest 2025 features, which include some slick improvements to send it visibility. Once you're all set, open up Snapchat and log in if you haven't already. Now, navigate to your chat list by swiping right from the camera screen. Look for any notifications or a specific send it icon. It's usually a little envelope or a chat bubble with a question mark. Tap on it to enter your send it inbox. Inside the send it section, you'll see a list of incoming send its. Each one should show a preview, and here's the key. Tap on the individual send it to open it. Once it's open, look at the top or bottom of the screen. There should be an option to view the sender's profile. In 2025, Snapchat has made this even easier with a dedicated From button that you can tap to see who sent it. If you're still having trouble, double-check your privacy settings. Go to your profile, tap the settings gear, and ensure that send it visibility is turned on. Sometimes, senders can choose to remain anonymous, so if it's not showing up, that might be why. And there you have it, simple, straightforward, and super helpful. By following these steps, you'll never be left wondering who sent that send it again. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Snapchat tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay connected and keep snapping. Word count: 348.